Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe is another fried rice. Yes guys, today is the crab stick and lettuce fried rice. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. And now, done with our lettuce crab stick chahan. So, that's it guys. Okay, itadakimasu. Yummy. Where's it? You must try this guys, really. This is easy fried rice. Yummy. Good. I hope you like our recipe today. Just give it a try guys. It is really good. And if you're interested with my other fried rice recipe, please watch my Japanese style fried rice and my para chahan fried rice and also the garlic fried rice. Yes guys, really fried rice is good and it is yummy, oishi. So I hope that you will give it a try. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne! See you on my next videos. Bye bye.